Well, the question says Fanny and Annie had a total of $7,840. Fanny gave 1/8 of her money to Annie. Annie then gave Fanny 1/5 of the total amount she had. In the end, they had an equal amount of money. So how much did Fanny have at first? So for this question, we're going to work backwards, all right? So in the end, they had an equal amount of money. And this total amount of money is equal to 7,840 still, because nothing have been spent, all right? It has been transferred here and there, that's all. So total remains the same, 7,840. All right, so this happened because of the previous statement. It says that Annie gave 1/5 of her money to Fanny. That means to say Annie had a total of 5 units of money before this, all right, and she gave away 1 unit. So after she gave away 1 unit, obviously she had only 4 units left. Okay, so this model looks like this. Annie had 4 units because she gave away 1 unit. So now we take back the 1 unit from Fanny. All right, take back the 1 unit from Fanny. Therefore, Fanny would have, looking at the model, 3 units left. All right, simple as that. Okay, now, and what happened previously? Before this, Fanny gave 1/8 of her money to Annie. All right, that means to say that before this, Fanny, all right, had 8 parts of money, and she gave 1 part to Annie. All right, so right now, Fanny's model is 3 units, which is equivalent to 7 parts, because she gave away 1 part to Annie. So now we're going to take back the 1 part of money from Annie. All right, we take it back from Annie. So Annie's model will look 4 units plus a certain amount, okay, because we take back the 1 part. This is how we draw it. So this is the final model, or the model at first. Now, by looking at this, okay, we know that 8 units is equal to $7,840, and by taking 7,840 divided by 8, you will get 1 unit to be $980. All right, then looking at this part of the model, we know that 3 units is equivalent to 7 parts. Okay, so we find out what is 3 units. All right, so 3 units is equal to 980 times 3, which is equal to 7 parts. All right, and you get 2,940 for 7 parts. The questions: how much did Fanny have at first? Looking at the model at first and looking at Fanny's model, Fanny had altogether 8 parts. So that means we've got to find what is 1 part first. To find 1 part, we take 2,940 divided by 7. That gives us $420. So Fanny at first had 8 parts. So we take 420 multiplied by 8. That gives us 3,360. So the answer to this question is Fanny had $3,360 at first. Thank you for using Playmaths.com.